My name is John. I work in the IT field. I write software for mainframe computers. One of the things that totally shocked me coming down from Orange County was the price of electricity in San Diego. When I heard neighbors tell me that their monthly bills were $700, $1,000 a month, $1,200 a month, I was in shock. So getting solar for me was not something that I had to be sold on. It's plainly obvious. I tend to do a lot of research before I drop, some big dollars. I wanted to make sure that I knew that I was getting. I knew how much it was going to cost me and what it was going to save me. My salesperson was not high pressure and he was knowledgeable. So when I asked him a question, he had the answer ready for me. And the salesperson showed me the panels that I would be getting, the inverters. He explained the technology, the whatever else. So it's like, okay, I get it. If you're gonna get solar, do your homework. Look at the reviews, talk to your friends, talk to your neighbors, okay? Talk to people who have done it. Understand the money. You need to understand what you're paying for and why. I did the research and it turned out that when I looked at all of the reviews for Easy Solar, apparently everyone that went with Easy was satisfied with the service that they got. They were always on top of things. As soon as I signed that contract, they told me step by step, this is what's going to happen. You may have to contact your HOA. All of that was taken care of and it was done in a timely fashion. And I would say that from the point that I signed that contract until I had solar on my roof was about 6 weeks, which I think is pretty quick. I would recommend Easy Solar to anyone.